Really great little machine here. And on the back you can see all my ports. It takes up these two USB slots, USB-C slots here. I've got a little extension here for all my peripherals. What's nice is you also get the display port and two USB type A and one more type C at the back there. And when I first plugged this in, it was giving a bit of static through my speakers, but after a bit of wiggling and unplugging and replugging stuff in, it was sorted. So yeah, this totally cleaned up my desk, and I'm very, very happy with everything because I had a ton of wires going across the whole desk. Yeah,